Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete or clear your cache on cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, if you are getting any errors or any issues on cPanel, clearing your cache is pretty much the first fix which you should try. Corrupted cache files pretty much screw up any application there is, and caching is of course used to make the service or the site or anything else faster, since cached memory is easier to access, and then you don't need to go through the same process when loading something, and it'll load much faster. Now, to delete your cache on cPanel, of course, you just need to log into your cPanel, then go into your file manager in the file section, and then locate the file named is cache. This is where all of your cache is located, so just click on it and open it up. Then in the toolbar above the screen, or above your files, just click on the select all button, and this will select all the data in your cache folder. Then you just need to click delete, which will open up a delete confirmation box. You just want to click confirm. However, before that, click here, check off the skip the trash and permanently delete the files check mark, and then just click confirm, and everything will be cleared. This is used simply because you do not need to restore your cache if it's corrupted, and you do not need to keep it anywhere, especially not in the trash, so you can just delete it completely. If you forgot this step and just click confirm, just go into your trash can and delete all the files in there. But yeah, once you do that, you can just click confirm, delete everything, and now your cache will be cleared, and the next time things load up, they will be slower. However, new cache will be created, and that is going to be that is going to work hopefully perfectly. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.